Matt Weiss, Vice President of Sales and Marketing at Landi Renzo USA, on how this major natural gas vehicle supplier chose Torrance, California over Detroit or Nashville to set up its U.S. corporate base to reach large fleets and serve multiple fueling stations.
While Detroit is the hub of automotive and there's a lot of great things happening down south, when you look at green technologies and where their birthplaces, where the engineers are, where some of the really forward-thinking people are, there's a lot of concentration in California. Nothing against those other places, it's going on there too. But what we found is that we need to open up our shop in a place where we could do business where natural gas has its infrastructure now. So California has the highest number of actual CNG filling stations. That alone with a pretty big customer base means that if everything stays the way it is, that we can have our home in California, do conversions here, and have a good long-term plan. We think things are going to get bigger, so we think that we're going to have a pretty good national presence in a couple of years. These great municipalities, it's a neat thing because you see this groundswell of activity that happens. City of Los Angeles, City of Torrance, which is the city we're in, the city of Santa Monica, Santa Ana, and some of these other great cities. Long Beach have done these incredible projects, and UCLA have done these small projects where they've actually started to make this infrastructure. Now, as the infrastructure is there, it opens up the possibility that smaller businesses could convert one or two vehicles and tap into that infrastructure. So where it is now is that we're going after some large fleets. Baytech, the company we acquired, already has some large fleet customers on dedicated CNG system. Where we think it'll go is that we think that the needs will be on a smaller basis, and to fulfill that, you have to have a little bit of a bigger eyes and installation to accommodate a order that comes from disparate places.